Hello, 你好, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Katrina, and my job is to help you speak Mandarin Chinese with confidence and joy. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to say satisfy in Mandarin Chinese. So in Mandarin, there are two words meaning satisfy. One is 满意 and the other is 满足. But what are the differences between these two words? Let's find out.Now let's take a look at the first word, which is 满意. 满意. This means to be satisfied or to be pleased. It's a feeling of satisfaction, but it often relates to someone's expectation or desire or standard being met. And you can use the phrase to say 对 something something 很满意. To be satisfied with something or somebody. 对哒哒哒很满意. For example, you could say 我对这次的结果很满意. Let's try again. 我对这次的结果 is result. So I feel satisfied with the result this time. 我对这次的结果很满意. So to be satisfied with the result. The second example, 老师对我的成绩很满意. 成绩 is grades, score. 老师对我的成绩很满意. The teacher is satisfied with my score or grades.Next one, 老板对他的表现很不满意。老板对他的表现 his performance 表现很不满意。So you could also say not satisfied with something something. 对哒哒哒很不满意。This is how you say it.So as you can see that these three examples, I use the phrase 对哒哒哒很满意 or you could say 对哒哒哒不满意 or 很不满意 meaning not satisfied with. Just remember, when something that goes to your expectation or desire, you feel 满意. It's something that is not up to your satisfaction, not up to your desire, standard, or expectation, you don't feel 满意. That is 不满意. Now let's take a look at another word, which is 满足. 满足. So as you can see that 满足 is translated as to be content or to fulfill. So you had the feeling of content or fulfillment. So here is more explanation about 满足. This term refers more to a sense of fulfillment or contentment. So it's all about fulfillment, contentment, where one feels that their needs or require are completely met. So needs, it's all about your needs and requirements being met. And it also emphasizes the idea of being content, gratified with what one has. So what does that mean? It means that, for example, if you feel that your life is fulfilled, you have a good job, you have a loving family, you have nothing to complain about your life, you have enough money, and then you feel content, fulfilled, you feel 满足. That's the expression or the feeling of 满足. Also, you can use the phrase 对 something something 很满足. So you feel content, fulfilled with something. Of course, the negative one would be 对哒哒哒不满足. You don't feel content, you don't feel fulfilled with something. For example, 虽然他已经很有钱了，但是他还是不满足。Let's take a look at that again. 虽然他已经很有钱了 ，though he's already rich， 虽然他已经很有钱了，但是他还是不满足 ，but he's still not content. So there are some people already very rich, but still not feel content, fulfilled, satisfied, always want more. So in this case, you could use the situation. 他还是不满足. He is still not content. All right, next example. 这份工作能满足我的需求。这份工作 this job 份 is the measure word for 工作 job 这份工作能满足 can fulfill content 我的需求 my need my demand 需求 here is one's need or demand again 这份工作能满足我的需求 So this job meets my demand and need. Next one. 现在的生活让我觉得很满足 Again. 现在的生活 The life right now 现在的生活让我觉得很满足 make me feel fulfilled and content 现在的生活让我觉得很满足 So now you know 满足 means one is gratified and thankful and feel enough, content, fulfilled with what he or she has. That is 满足 Alright, hope you have fun learning these two words with me today. If you want to learn more Mandarin Chinese, become my future students, you can click links down below and see all my courses. I have HSK1 to HSK3 vocabulary and grammar courses help you equip with enough basic knowledge of Chinese grammar and vocabulary for your speaking and listening. Click links down below if you're interested. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. 再见